All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install Adobe Illustrator, okay? So if we click on the little three dots here, I'm just going to show you real quick. You can click on other versions, and then it'll give you a different version than 2021. However, we want to download and install. We just want to install Adobe Illustrator 2021. So let's click on install, okay? We'll give that a second to work here. And it's going to pop up a little icon up here saying installing Illustrator. It's going to give you a percentage, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and once we get to 100%, I'll come back and we'll finish up, all right? So I'll see you in a second. All right, welcome back. So we've successfully installed Adobe Illustrator 2021. Now, what I want you to do is let's click on Open, and let's open the application up. And once we open it up, then what I want you to do is I want you to pin it to the taskbar if you're using Windows, and save it to the dock if you're on a Mac. So once we get this up and running, then we can do that. So we'll give it a second here to load up. Great job installing Illustrator. It's a simple step, but it's part of the process. And there we go. So now we have Illustrator popped up here. So I'm going to go to the taskbar here. I'm going to right click, and this is actually the dock. I'm going to go to Options, keep in the dock. Again, if you're on Windows, if you right click on the icon, you can pin it to the taskbar and it'll do the same exact effect. So that's how you install Adobe Illustrator 2021. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.